So, you just picked up the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26, or S26 Plus, and you're trying to turn it off, but instead of the power menu, you keep getting Gemini or a digital assistant. It's a common frustration, but in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to power off your device and, more importantly, how to remap that button so it actually works like a power button again. The first and fastest way to get to your power menu is the physical button combination. You want to press and hold the side button and the volume down button simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds. Once the menu appears, you can simply tap power off or restart. To turn the phone back on, just hold down that side button until the logo appears. If you don't want to fumble with buttons, you can do it through the software. Swipe down from the top right side of your screen to open your quick settings. Right at the top, you'll see a small power icon. Tap that, and it brings up the exact same menu where you can shut down or restart your device. Now, let's fix that button so you don't have to use 2 fingers every time. Open your Settings app, scroll down, and select Advanced Features. Tap on Side button. Under the Long Press section, you'll see it's set to Digital Assistant. Change that to Power Off menu. Now, whenever you long press that side button, it will bring up your power options instantly. This is how you turn off Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching till the end.